Hello family members, I'm Namsop ke welcome kura first day chanai di ase Nagaland State Cabinet pura Eastern Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association khan ke ENPU manu khan ke upcoming election day part lovle ek par kovole koise aro Eastern Nagaland Legislator Unions khan brabi ENPU ke decision to reconsider kurubole appeal kura khobor ani ase Thursday Chokali State Cabinet or Eastern Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association in Kuakan closed door meeting Chief Minister laga khorde thagise meeting loa pichide media khan ke address kura time de minister and government spokesperson Kechi Kenye bro koise ki Eastern Nagaland area state thaka Gazetted Officers khan lokore first time meeting thagise aro etu meeting de Eastern area state itiadak chai thaka development kam opore meeting loa janaise State Cabinet bra through Eastern Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association bra ENPU citizens khan ke upcoming Lok Sabha election day part lovle appeal kurubole koise aro election khatam hoigena State Cabinet bra bi ENPU issue solve kurubole cooperate kurubo koigena State Cabinet bra inkwa khan ke kwa janaise ENPU area state thaka 20 MLS Union Eastern Nagaland Legislators Union in Lukhan Brabi ENPU ke upcoming election day participate no kuribo kogena stand thaka tu hole reconsider kurigena election day participate kurole appeal kurise all April 1st in day in low members khan meeting day decide kura nishna etia bi ENPU demand for FNT nimide support kuribo hole bi etia nimide election day ekpa participate kurole appeal kurise Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India bra kitia memorandum of settlement laga draft to phodabo etu time te ENPU bra in law inqua ENSF invo aro tribal bodies khan ke matikena draft opore discussion koribo aro etu discussion to din nohile hafta nohile moina bi lobo pare eneka draft laga phal pia discuss kora pichide final approval nimide ENPU public khan osore anibole ase to inega noha akide upcoming election do loila phal ase koikena inlo khan bra ENPU citizens khan ke appeal kurabi janai di ase itiadak ENPU laga stand do hole election do abstain kurubo koikena khara thaka jani ase holebi itia ko nisna state cabinet aro inlo khan bra appeal kurage ENPU aro ENPU manu khan bra mani bonana etu do mon sob bra janibole sawal ekta ase খবৰ পাইছে কলে আপকামিং ভিডিওস খানকে আপডেট কৰি থাকিব থ্যাংক ইউ এভৰিওয়ান ফৰ ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও